One of the exciting additions to the Retail Food Group suite of brands is the Coffee Guy. And a Coffee Guy is a really neat concept of, it's a coffee van essentially, and it's really about taking advantage of what the local community has. Now, of course, the Coffee Guy is founded on making fantastic, amazing coffee, and it starts here in the Training Academy. So we actually have set up a simulated van, because of course it's different making coffee out of a van with gas lines rather than a traditional store. So all of that's done here in the Academy as well as out there in the field. One of the joys of the Coffee Guy is you don't have to have a lot of staff to be successful, but of course it's about knowledge along the way, and some operators will have multiple vans and perhaps staff. Our Coffee Guy model is quite different. It's really about making sure that you have the right guided practice. So it's really a three-stage process. There's a component of that's done before a franchisee gets here so that they're prepared. Things like food safety, things like understanding the Coffee Guy brand and what are some of the key elements of our range. Franchisees then spend a week here at National Office forming the key relationships that they need in order to grow their business. Meet their marketing team, understand about how to put the model together, understand of course some of the underpinning components of stock control, and of course how to make a fantastic Coffee Guy coffee. So here's where they learn all of that component. Then it's really important that they practice that out there live, on the road, with real customers, and yes, in your real territory. So the next 2 weeks of training is guided support. We usually give a break between the time here and those 2 weeks of guided supported practice out in the store. Give you a little bit of a breather, give you time to sleep and get organised before hitting fresh to help make sure that your support person can help you grow your business, as well as make sure you have the practical experience out there in the field with your van to make sure that your business is up and running. We have a Riot system, so an RFG information and online training. It's really about a learning management portal that our Coffee Guy franchisees can use to learn about their brand, to access newsletters, to access forms and all of the systems and tools that makes the Coffee Guy successful. It also means that perhaps you own 2 vans in the future, or 3 vans, or 4. It gives you the tools and the systems that you can pass that knowledge on to others and help grow your business and replicate. It's really important at Retail Food Group that our franchisees have what they need to grow their business going forward, and the Coffee Guy is no exception.